So you got a Sprinter, and it's got the 5-cylinder diesel, which I think is got to be one of the best gas mileage diesels for an RV out there. And the beauty of these things is their simplicity. Look at this thing, it's right here, right where I can reach it. Well, so I've got a glow plug code, and the glow plugs, there's a lot of good info on the net about pulling those things. So would you look at that, there's a rock right here, and I thought this engine was clean. Anyways, it is clean. So I'm going to use such a tight space down there. The first thing I need to do is unplug this glow plug. And this is going to be easy, I hope. But to reach through all these fuel lines, I'm using this tool. It's made just for that. So you're just going to pull straight up. Ooh, there it is. Now, you're going to get your deep 10 millimeter. And you're just going to put it right down there on top of it. And look at this. I'm going to try a 1/4-inch drive. I can say is, I hope it works. So let me get a good wind up on this thing and get it going to lefty-loosey. See what we got. Okay, got a little movement. Oh yeah. Okay, she's coming loose. Now see how easy this is? So far, so good. Let's not jinx it. In terms of like threads, it's tight. So it's coming, it's coming. It's almost finger loose. I think it is finger loose. Okay. The fingers aren't as strong as they used to be, or it's just not finger loose yet. Okay, it's feeling. Maybe I'm right now. Okay. Okay, it's got to be out now. Let's see if I can extract. Oh, look. There it is. That was easy.